Hi, my name's Danelle Hunter and I'm the Managing Director of Biggin & Scott Knox. Today I'll be going through what an urgent repair is classified as. So first of all of our office phones are diverted to an emergency number. So if it's after hours, all you need to do is continue to call the office for maintenance and we will get back to you. Make sure you leave a voicemail though, so that we know who's called. There is a after hours mobile for some of our offices, so check your lease agreement also to see what number you should be calling. Now, in regards to urgent repairs, there are some things that we have to deal with urgently. However, we do base it on different things. So if, for example, it's 9 o'clock on a Wednesday night and you have no hot water, these types of repairs can wait until 9 o'clock the next morning. If you call us and let us know straight away in the morning, we'll be able to organise a plumber the same day and you'll have hot water before you get home from work. But if it's a burst pipe, if you can turn the water off overnight. So many things can be isolated until the morning, as our plumbers a lot of the time can't really work in the dark and can't fix issues too late at night either. So please keep in mind that only call if it's an urgent repair. If it's a gas leak and you think it's coming from the front of the property, then you can obviously call your gas company. If for some reason you can't turn your water mains off, you can call South East Water and they will come and turn the mains off for you. But try to isolate the issue until you can get hold of someone. Now, in regards to weekends, obviously if it's a Saturday morning and you call us, we can get someone out. If it's a Sunday afternoon, generally it can wait till a Monday morning, but we will always get it fixed as promptly as we can. Don't ever organise someone yourself. Always make sure that you call us first and we will definitely organise it for you. If you've got any questions, you can ask your property manager, but that should give you a rough outline of what an urgent repair is. Thank you very much.